Most careers cap you no matter how hard you work. You can be the most reliable employee in the building, and yet your paycheck barely moves. But tech sales doesn't work like that. Today, I'm breaking down why tech sales is one of the fastest paths to $100K a year with no degree when you actually understand how the game works. No hype, just leverage, skills, and execution. So, let's get straight to the content.
Don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech.
What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another episode of Cut the Tech. I am your host, I am your guide, I'm your man, I'm Coach Dre. I'm a career coach. I help men over the age of 35 who feel stuck, stagnant, undervalued, and just want a new career. I help them get into the tech sales space where they can start $100,000 careers in a matter of months, not years. And I've coached literally hundreds of people to success within this space, all ages, men, women, young, old, you name it. But my heart, my passion, my desire is really to see men who were in the same position I was in over the age of 35, felt like life had to change, helping them change that life. So if that's you, welcome to the right place, you heard? Now, most jobs are built on exchanging time for money. So you've got hourly wages, and in that space, your income is capped by the clock. If you're not working, you're not earning. So let's just say you make $25 an hour. The math is already done for you. Even if you work 60 hours a week, you're still nowhere near $100,000 in a year, and you're exhausted. Then you got salaries. Now, salaries feel a little bit safer, but salaries reward consistency instead of excellence. You can outperform everybody and still make the exact same amount of money as the dude that doesn't do as much work. You can bring the ideas, you can solve the problems, you can carry the team. He just clocks in and clocks out. Same paycheck. And then you get those little bitty tiny annual raises. And those don't even keep up with inflation. Like a 3% raise sounds good until you realize the groceries went up 8%, rent went up 10%, gas jumped up again. Like you get that raise, but you didn't get richer, you just fell behind slower. No matter how good you get, that system's just not designed for somebody to go out and have massive upside. And that's why so many hardworking men feel stuck. Not because they're lazy, but because the system has a ceiling on top of it. And this is how tech sales changes the game. Tech sales is different because your pay is tied to revenue, not just time. When you help companies make money, your value increases. Why? Because companies have a bottom line and they have a clear objective: make money. And they protect whatever helps them make money. So you get paid for skills. And sales is a skill set, it's not a title. So for example, asking the right questions, handling objections, communicating value to people, consistently following up. Like these are skills that you're learning and developing, and skills compound, but titles don't. So if you can learn how to level up your communication skills, you can change your life forever. See, most money is made by people who can clearly explain problems and provide solutions. So for example, two people can sell the exact same product, but the one that communicates better makes more money. So in tech sales, you get paid for outcomes, not just showing up, not because you put in a lot of effort, but because you deliver results. I promise you this, if you help a company bring in hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, oh, that income conversation changes completely. And that's leverage. And leverage changes everything. So I want to give you a realistic $100,000 a year timeline. Year one is not flashy. Like I know from social media, you see tech sales and you see the big numbers. You see people in Lambos, people traveling all over the place. But Coach Dre gonna keep it real with you. That first year you learning the skills. You learning how to handle objections, learning how to handle rejection. You're building confidence and you're starting to position yourself correctly within this field. You're learning how to show up as a professional. But year two, that's where things start to compound. See, at this point, you're no longer guessing. You know the role and you know how to execute. And because your execution is better, them commission checks start to stack up. So this is not get rich quick. It's not an overnight success thing, but it is faster than a traditional track if you stay consistent, and that's a big deal. You have to stay consistent. So who is this path for? What type of man should look at this and say, you know what, I want to take this path? Well, this is for the type of man that wants growth. Like you don't want comfort, you want progress. It's also for the type of man that's coachable. Like you don't need to know everything. You need to listen. See, the men that win here are the ones that can humble themselves and say, okay, cool, teach me. How does that work? And then actually implement the things that they're being taught. I literally just had a meeting with a trainer of a tech sales company last week, and I asked him, I said, yo, as a trainer, I know that you probably look at different people coming in and out the door. What's one attribute that you see for the people who win? And he said, coachability. He said, if we listen to a couple of your calls and I give you feedback, the people that win are the ones that on that very next call, I hear them implementing the things that we taught them from that conversation. So being coachable is a very big part of this. And that's the other thing. You got to be able to handle feedback, because one thing sales is going to do, it's going to expose all your blind spots, and it's going to do it fast. So if you're somebody that gets your ego bruised because somebody gives you feedback, this ain't for you, boss. Also, you have to be willing to get uncomfortable early. This is something that somebody taught me and it's always stuck with me. Remember this, discomfort is temporary, but the skill set is permanent. So this is not a role for somebody who's looking for shortcuts. This is a role for men who want to have ownership over their careers. So why do a lot of men not get there? Why do they not get to that $100,000 mark? Well, most men don't fail because tech sales doesn't work. They fail for a couple of reasons. It could be one, they don't have the right roadmap. They don't know which roles will lead to which outcomes. Sometimes they position themselves wrong. Some men sell themselves as beginners, even though they have the skill set to make a lot more money than that. And the opposite, some men come in trying to jump skill sets. Like they want senior pay, but they don't even have junior skills yet. And being impatient will kill you. Skipping steps will slow you down a whole lot more than patience will. Another reason why men fail, they try to do it on their own. Isolation kills momentum. And when you're somebody who's trying to break into this field and you got all those different things going on in your mind, you'll stay busy, but you also stay stuck. And this is why I say that coaching helps shorten that path. See, a good coach can help you avoid costly mistakes. The wrong role, wrong company, wrong strategy, all those things can cost you years. A coach can also help you build a real plan so that you stop guessing and start executing. And that's exactly what I do at Cut the Tech, to help me get past that hurdle. I work with tons of students who have tried to transition into the tech sales space on their own, and somewhere along the line, they just got stuck. And they look up this 1, 2, 3 years and they still haven't got it done. So what we do, come alongside them, help them, give them a career plan, give them some structure, give them strategy, and hold their hand and walk with them through the process. And so if you're somebody who's thinking about transitioning into this career path, there's a link down below for a free consultation. Hit that link and we'll link up. And I'd love to talk with you. I'll tell you about where you are right now, where you want to go, if tech sales is a good fit for you or not, and explain to you what the next 90 days could look like if you decide to move forward with this career path. And like I always say, if we're a good fit, I'll tell you. If we're not, I'll tell you that also. But at least you'll get off that conversation having clarity on where it is that you are and where you want to go. So I hope this video explained to you why I think tech sales is one of the fastest ways for somebody without a degree to go make $100,000 in career. I hope it gave you clarity. I hope you come from this understanding more what it looks like. Because ultimately, here at Cut the Tech, we exist for one reason and one reason only. So that you can develop the skills, go out here into the marketplace and tell these people to cut the tech motto, which is this: don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech, you heard?
Don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech.
Thank you once again for tuning in to Cut the Tech. Before you leave, please do all the things that the YouTube algorithm likes for you to do. Please comment, subscribe, please subscribe, like, all those good things. If you are a man over 35 and you feel like you are stuck in your career and you want some help, please hit the link below, set up a one-on-one consultation with me. I would love to walk you through the process and see how we can help you go from exhausted to elevated. And one last thing before you go, click on this link right up here. This is a video that YouTube believes you would like to see. Check it out. Until we see you next time, remember the motto: don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech, you heard?